my channel MuleSoft Unleashed. Today I'll be introducing you to Anypoint Code Builder or ACB, MuleSoft's next generation cloud-based IDE designed for building, testing and deploying Mule applications. We'll also look at some of the common issues you might face when getting started and how to quickly resolve them. If you've been working with Anypoint Studio, think of ACB as the next evolution. It's faster, smarter, and built for modern integration developers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Mule developer, ACB simplifies the development experience with modern tooling, AI-assisted productivity, and tight integration with Anypoint Platform. Let's explore how ACB helps you build integrations faster, collaborate better, and modernize your MuleSoft development workflow. Anypoint Code Builder is MuleSoft's VS Code-based IDE designed to make developing Mule applications easier, smarter, and more connected to the Anypoint platform. It's available both as a cloud IDE in your browser and a desktop extension for VS Code, giving developers flexibility to work anywhere. That means you can start developing right from your browser, no heavy installs or complex setup required. If you ever face issues logging in through the browser or run into upgrade problems, MuleSoft's documentation is a great place to start. It really helps you troubleshoot and move forward. But personally, I find the desktop version of ACB much more stable and compatible for day-to-day development work. ACB acts as the communication backbone between your Mule applications and the Anypoint platform, enabling centralized control, monitoring, and orchestration. First, you get a modern developer experience. Familiar VS Code look and feel, intelligent code completion, and rich syntax support for Mule 4 and API specs. Second, ACB integrates MuleSoft AI for code suggestions, error explanations, and guided configurations, helping you code smarter and faster. Since it's cloud native, you can collaborate across teams, share workspaces, and manage code versions easily, all within your Anypoint platform account. To start, let's create a new API specification. Click Design an API, then add your project name. The business group is optional, but I'll add one here for better organization. Looks like we've got an error. No worries, ACB gives us great visibility into what went wrong. You can check the details under View, Output, Mule DX Server. Sometimes, it's just a minor startup glitch. So let's retry. And there we go, it worked. A RAML specification file has now been created. You'll notice that ACB provides AI-powered suggestions to help you define your API structure. For this demo, I'll use those suggestions. Let's fix the alignment and add a query parameter so we can greet users by their name later in the flow. Now let's publish our API specification to Anypoint Exchange. Looks like we hit another error. No problem. Again, the logs are your best friend here. This time, ACB detected that I had a previous version of this asset that was recently deleted, and it automatically recognized that version conflict. Let's fix that by updating the asset version and then republish. Perfect. Our API spec is now live on Exchange. Since the RAML is now published, ACB recommends creating a Mule flow from it. Let's do that. I'll name the API, choose a folder structure, and set runtime version 4. 6 Java version 17. Once we generate the project, ACB scaffolds all the required files automatically. Now we can see a few validation errors, which is common when starting out. Let's fix them by adding a few simple components: a logger to display the incoming request path, a transformer to greet the user, hello, world, plus their name from the query parameters, and another logger to indicate the request completed successfully. Everything looks good. Let's deploy this to CloudHub 2.0. ACB makes this super simple. Just select your environment, click deploy, and it handles the rest. And that's it. Our first ACB-based API is live in the cloud. So we've just seen how easy it is to design, fix, and deploy APIs using Anypoint Code Builder. Run it directly inside ACB and deploy it to CloudHub. Everything from development to deployment happens right here in one place. So to summarize, ACB redefines MuleSoft development. It's modern, intelligent, and integrated, helping developers build better APIs faster than ever before. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video where I'll walk you through common ACB issues and how to fix them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.